Hi guys, Hamza's Gaming back with another tutorial video. I've been doing these tutorials a lot recently on my channel, and I just want to help out people, and stuff. So today I'll be showing you the Ark Wiki. If you want to know about Ark, like dinosaurs like Bronto and stuff, so you just go to any browser. It can be Microsoft Edge, Chrome, and Google, I guess. So you want to search up Ark, and it should just come up right here. Ark Survival Evolved. And you have to just click on it, and then click the wiki, Ark Survival Evolved wiki. Click on this first link here. Should be the first link. And this is the DLCs and stuff. And if you want to know about Bronto for example, just go to this search bar and should just come up. There it is, Bronto egg and like all of that. But if you want to know about the Brontosaurus, just click on it, Brontosaurus, and it should take you to this page where it tells you all of the things about it, like herbivore, if you want to know if it eats meat or berries, all of that, the release versions, and it tells you what the preferred food to tame it. Preferred food is vegetables, preferred kibble, the turtle egg kibble, I guess you could say, rider, and the drops are pretty good on this thing, but if hopefully you wanna tame it, cause killing it, I don't know, and it takes a lot of time for it to grow up, and like the baby time, juvenile time, however you pronounce that, but it tells you the habitat where it's more common to find it, the regions, and the drops, raw prime meat. And it tells you over here its stats amount at level 1, so how much health, stamina, oxygen, food, weight, melee damage, movement speed, and torpidity is. And yeah, the torpidity is pretty high. And yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this, and yeah, catch you around guys.